Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 19 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In the last episode, we created data validations and drop down list to make Excel sheets interactive and error proof. But today we are going to take your skills to the next level with advanced conditional formatting. Remember, the full Excel Beginner to Advanced playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. Don't forget, check it out. Part 1, Quick recap of basic. Previously we learned simple rules like highlighting cells greater than 500 or using color scales. But that's just the surface. Conditional formatting can be taken much deeper. Part 2, Formula based conditional formatting. Example 1, highlight entire rows. Formula is equal to $V2 is equal to east. Highlights the full row where region east. Example 2, highlight top performer automatically. Formula is equal to V2 is equal to max under bracket $V $2 colon $V $20. Example 3, alternate row shading. Formula is equal to mode under bracket row functions comma 2 is equal to 0. Create striped rows without using tables. Part 3, Advanced techniques. Number 1, heat maps with color scales. Turn number into visually gradients like red to green performance reports. Number 2, icon sets. Use arrows, stars, flags or traffic lights to visualize KPIs. Number 3, combining rules. Example, highlight sales above 1000 in green and below 200 in red. Number 4, dynamic conditional formatting with drop downs. Combine data validations plus conditional formatting. Example, select region is equal to east from drop down. Instantly highlights east region rows. Part 4, practical business use cases. Sales dashboard. Highlight top and bottom performers automatically. Attendance sheet. Highlight absent employees in red. Finance tracker. Overdue payments in bold red. Cleared payments in green. Project deadlines. Highlight task due in 7 days. This transforms raw data into decision making dashboards. Part 5, Pro tips. Always use absolute and relative reference carefully. $. Use formula like today functions. With conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks. Don't overuse too many colors. Keep it clean and professional. So in this episode you mastered advanced conditional formatting, from formulas to icon sets to dynamic rules. In episode 20 we will dive into another powerful area, pivot tables, advanced techniques. We will unlock grouping, calculated fields, slicer and interactive reports. Remember the complete beginner to advanced Excel series in the descriptions and pin comment. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and click the bell icon so you don't miss the what's coming next. See you in episode 20.